Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. I ordered some hair and I'm going to do a review on it. This is the packaging. As you can see, I already opened it. But this hair is from an AliExpress vendor called Allove Hair. And I got a 16-inch closure, a 18, a 20, a 22, and a 24. And I actually paid $118 for this hair. No, they did not send me the hair. None of that. Like, I was like, I need some more hair. So, I'm going to do a review on this hair for you guys. This is actually the packaging this hair came in. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. It's Indian loose wave. I've never had Indian hair before. I've always had Brazilian or Malaysian. And I've never had loose wave. Like, I always get body wave, straight, or curly. So yeah, this is the packaging the hair came in. It's nice. Okay, when I get into the video. Alright, so this is what came inside of the, wow, that's is it? Oh, I thought it was upside down. This is what came inside of the bag. Some eyelashes. Wow, these feel actually nice. These actually look like real eyelashes. I know before when I ordered from vendors on AliExpress, the eyelashes look like plastic. These, on the other hand, actually look like human hair eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to open the closure first. This is the 16-inch closure. It's supposed to be middle part. Okay, just got a net around it. I'm actually supposed to be getting this hair installed very soon. So, yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, this is the middle part closure. Yeah, y'all can see the part. It goes down further, but yes. I'm going to run my fingers through the hair. No shedding. It's a thumbs up. They do have baby hairs, but I am gonna, of course, customize the hairline so it looks more natural. And I'm going to tweeze at that part. Wow, I cannot get to it. I'm gonna tweeze at the part so that looks, y'all cannot see that part. I'm trying to spread the hair so y'all can see it, but I'm going to definitely tweeze the part just a tad bit. Okay, I'm going to open the 18-inch and the 24-inch just because I want to run my fingers through it and make sure there's no shedding. And I also want to show you guys the wefts. Okay, this is the hair. So I'm going to run my, ooh, it's so soft. Didn't get any shedding. Y'all don't mind my nails, like, because I need to get them done. But this is actually the wefts, and the weft is actually pretty thick. The hair has no smell. It just smells like hair. It definitely smells just like hair, so yeah. Okay, I want to show y'all the 24-inch. Now, I am going to leave the link below in case you guys want to order this hair because this really looks like some bomb hair. So, yes. Okay, this is the 24. I did already, like, run my fingers through his hair. So, yeah. Okay, this is the weft at the 24-inch, which is actually surprisingly thick. Because I know they say the longer the hair, like the thinner the wefts, but this is pretty thick to be a 14-inch. I mean, oh goodness, not a 14-inch, a 24-inch. Okay, so I'm gonna run my fingers through it again, just because I want to show you guys if there's any shedding. And no, which is thumbs up again. There's no shedding. Okay, I'm going to be getting this hair installed very soon. and I'm definitely gonna show you guys the outcome, and I will be giving a 1 week update on this hair. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up. Please, please, please subscribe, share, all of that. Love you guys.